That's so funny because that's still like bearing and it's still good. It never.
Chicken fast cracks.
Yeah.
Yeah, if it fast cracks, then you have the risk of fucking exploding.
I'm like, it never runs, so hopefully it's fucking good.
Get you a little drain plug down there. I thought I had to do the old bullshit method of throw the fucking hose out and hope you don't splash.
The only thing I'm worried about is that too.
What? Finish the corkscrew.
Oh yeah, I'm like, alright bro.
You're offering, dog. They're gonna be offering, but like, hold on, let me get ready.
So I was like, alright, just let me know, bro.
We're changing all these holes?
No, it should just be.
Yeah, these pretty much fucking. Oh yeah. Alright, cause I'm gonna cut this bitch off. I don't want to be fighting that shit. Just put it how it was and then just give it a little give. They don't have to get hot.
I think it's all the same.
Okay.
To me, exactly the same.
Yeah, yours are all really long.
Might be a little heavier.
It is. It's bigger too.
It's definitely a little bigger. And it's already open. Fans. Okay.
Yeah, that's what I'm saying, like they should come like this.
I want to take it out yet. I can't get fingers sometimes. I like the way that there. I'll put it right on the top. It's not even a sticker, it's like engraved.
Oh, sure. That stamp.
But it has it on the front.
That's what I like the most. They actually painted.
That's pretty tough.
Looks the same. Connection, right?
GoPro.
Colors on the bottom right? Yeah.
They just make up the sensor right here, which is not too bad. You have the new one that goes in there.
In the middle of that. Yeah.
And then it came with the whole new hardware for fans. That's good.
So old fans, the new hardware.
You're not new fans.
Yeah. Old fans, new hardware.
I didn't fuck her up.
Oh.
But I still have to deal with the clamp, but at least without the fucking holes in the way, it'll be a little easier. Alright, can you pull the hose out? Hold on, move your fingers. Okay, stop.
That's what I do all those pulls for.
Teamwork makes the dream
I'm
work.
fucking squeezing that bitch out of Oh yeah, one hose down.
Is that a supposed easy hose? You're gonna need a new filmer tonight. Huh?
So, realizing now that I never recorded a final video after the installation was complete of the new radiator. So it's been a couple days. And radiator's running great. Everything's smooth, installation was super easy. Everything connected with the OEM bits. The OEM hardware works, all the mounting points match right up. We didn't have to bend anything, move anything at all. It all worked super quick. Well, not quick, but super seamless, super easy. No worries with the install. Only problem that we had was the hosing for the radiator. This top hose. We didn't end up replacing this one just because it ends up going so deep underneath the intake manifold that we had to either take off the alternator or the manifold altogether. So we just figured we'd wait for that, do it another day. But last time you guys saw the car was, or the last video actually, I was at the track. It's the first ever track day. And unfortunately we dropped a valve and the engine was blown. But as you can see, considering there's a new radiator in, you saw the car driving in a couple clips earlier. She's back, she's alive. She's been rebuilt, she's been put together. I will be making a final full rebuild video, hopefully, kind of explaining to you guys what exactly I did with the rebuild, shouting out who did it, obviously, and showing you guys a couple clips here and there. But just wanted to give you guys a final update on the radiator. Kind of apologize for this video being very all over the place. Next one will be more organized and a little bit better. But yeah, I will catch you guys in the next one. Peace.